Tutting challengers? Welcome to day 3 of Tutting Academy's Grid Challenge. In order for you to connect with your body through geometry flow, our goal today is simple: to play with this grid and bring you one step closer to unlocking your tutting puzzle. Let's start by stretching your hands out like this. Go on, follow my lead. Don't stretch too hard though. Be aware of your body and don't overstretch. Our goal here is to warm up the muscles. So follow my lead, because over the next few minutes, we're going to install tutting movements directly into your muscle memory. Keep in mind, by the end of this 4-day challenge, we'll combine all the grids together into an advanced tutting puzzle choreography that's going to feel incredible. And your first finger step starts right now. So put your hands up, relax your shoulders, and let's dive in. One last thing. If you are already an experienced tutting dancer, please get inspired by the daily moves, but also add an additional movement between the moves. So you can either change the video speed to 1.5 or keep it slow and just add more transitions between the moves. However, if you're a beginner, then just follow along. Okay, ready? Let's go. Follow my tuts. You did it! If you're tutting and you know it, put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up. If you're tutting and you know it, put your hands up. You've completed today's challenge. Now, I want you to keep exploring this grid, but I want to make it even easier for you. So let's install some of the basic tutting movements to make it easier for you to find your way around through tutting geometry. Okay, are you ready? Let's test your attention span. I challenge you to follow my tuts. Each day you show up to this challenge in practice, your tutting becomes natural, and eventually the tutting grid will become comfortable for your body. Don't forget, the more consistent you are, the more confident you will feel. So keep going. You know what? Here's the fun surprise. This challenge isn't just 4 days, it's 5. Because I've decided to give you another bonus day to master the grid. Let's think of each tutting square as one piece of the full puzzle. And by the end of this challenge, you'll master the ability to perform the full grid on top of every song. So keep in mind, there's an additional bonus day. And get ready for something special as you dive deeper and deeper into the world of tutting. As you continue the practice, you'll notice studying is more than just movement, because dancing is a form of meditation. So I invite you to completely forget about everything and just let your body flow however it wants to flow as you connect your mind, body, and music. Thank you for joining Day 3 GRID Challenge and for choosing to invest in your body's health through movement. Sure, it's fun to dance with geometry flow, but it's even more important to just move your body, stay active, and improve your creativity. We only have one day left. As we finish today's challenge, I want to invite you to give a small bow to yourself as a sign of respect for completing today's challenge. So take a deep breath in. Thank you and good luck.